Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can possibly fix the issue with your BMW X5 if you can connect your Bluetooth with your phone and the Bluetooth is not working. So the first thing that you want to do, I don't know if you have iPhone or Android, but what you want to do, you want to unpair it. So I have Android right now. For the iPhone, it's similar process. You go to settings, then you go to connections, and here you're gonna have Bluetooth. And what you're gonna find, I have Range Rover, but it's like same thing for BMW, it doesn't matter. You're gonna go to settings, and here you're gonna have unpair. So first unpair it. The second thing that you want to do, you want to also unpair it from your on your screen, right? So when you're pairing it, try to find if you paired it before and unpair it also from your screen on your BMW. The last thing that you can try to do, maybe this is going to also fix the issue. So this is something I read on Reddit, maybe it's going to fix it. What I've done to fix mine was just restarting it. Just hold the power button, volume knob down until your screen turns off. It can take like 60 seconds and then press again to turn it back on. Hope it helps. So here you're gonna have the volume button and you just want to press and hold it for about like 60 to 80 seconds when it's going to be turned on, and then it's going to turn off. You're gonna press it again and it should work, and then try to connect again your Bluetooth. So these are the two ways that I just wanted to share with you, and maybe it's going to fix the issue for you. And thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.